Hello friends, welcome to your YouTube channel Math Wizard. In this video we discuss about the property related to real numbers, means addition property of a real number. If you want to understand the topic properly, please see the video from starting to till end. I will try my best that you are able to understand this topic in a this topic. So today topic is, so the first property of a addition property of a real number is, first property is a closure property. First property is closure property. Closure property. The sum of two real number, the sum of two real number is always a real number. Means when we take two number as a real and when we add both the real number, then we get a new number, and after adding the two number which are real, so the new number is also a real number. So this is known as addition closure property of a real number. We understand this property with the help of also example. So the example means that 2 is a real number, 3 is also a real number. So when we add both the number, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So 5 is also a real number. Here we also take one example. 1 by 2 is a real number and 1 by 3 is a real number, and when we add, the LCM of 2 and 3 is equal to 6. 2 3s are 6, means 1 multiply 3, or 3 2s are 6. 1 multiply 2, 1 multiply 3 we get 3, and 1 multiply 2 we get 2, and LCM is 6. 3 plus 2 5, or by 6. So this is also a real number. So this is known as closure property, matlab addition closure property of a real number. The second property is associative law. The second property is associative law. Second property is associative law. Let us three real number A, B, C. Okay, 3 real number. So when we add 3 real number, just we take A and B with and plus C, and when we take with here we take A and we take with in combined form B plus C, there is no effect on addition of a real number. Okay, just we see this example in a proper way with the help of one example. Just we take 2, A barabar 2, B is equal to 3, and C is equal to 5. Okay, so LHS A plus B plus C So A 2, B 3 and C is equal to 5. When we add 2 or 3, 5 plus 5 we get 10. Okay, and when we take RHS, means that this A plus B plus C, the value of A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 5. 2 plus 3 plus 5, 8. So when we add any way, there is no effect on the result of addition of a real number. We get when we add in both ways, we get 10 and here also we get 10. Okay, so means we say that the addition of associative of the addition of real number holds this property, means follow the associative property. Okay, so this is the second property, and the third property is communicative law. Commutative. So friends, this is the third addition property of a real number. So we here the rule is, let A and B are two real number. A and B are two real number. Okay, so when we add A plus B and also we add B plus A, there is no effect on the addition of a real number. Just we understand this rule, also the help of example. We see that, just we take A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. Okay, so A plus B, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And we add B plus A, means B, the value of B is equal to 3 and the value of A is equal to 3 plus 2, 5. So this means we can say that the addition of a real number follow the property of communicative law. Okay, so this is the third property of addition of a real number. Now we discuss the property number 4. Sorry, actually we don't write with the help in red marker because you are not able to see the what I am writing. So the fourth property is existence of additive identity. though. So the fourth property of existence of additive identity. So 0 is known as the additive identity. 0 is known as, 0 is a real number, 0 is a real number, and also 0 is a additive identity of real number. Okay, how? Because when we add 0 in any real number, we get the same real number. Okay, so 0 is the additive identity of a real number. Just example, we see that when we add 1 plus 2 plus 0, the result is same 1 by 2. When we add 3 plus 0, so we get result 3. 4 we get, and also 0 is equal to 4 plus 4. So 0 is known as additive identity of a real number. So this is the fourth property, and the last property is existence of additive inverse. Existence of additive inverse. So what is additive inverse? So additive inverse means that when we add number with when we add one real number and another number, and the sum of two number is equal to 0, then this number is known as, means that we understand with the help of example. Okay, just is a 2 is a number, real number, and we want to, what is the additive inverse of this number? So what we add in 2, then we get 0. What we add in with 2, then we get 0. So simply when we add with 2 minus 2, the result is 0, means 2, and we know that. If you don't know that, then see, plus multiply plus is equal to plus, plus multiply minus is equal to minus, or minus multiply minus is equal to plus, sorry, minus, and minus multiply minus is equal to plus. Okay, so these are the rules using in many question, in algebra, many kinds of questions. So these things, 4 things you should always remember, because if you have no remember this rules, you have too many confusion when you are solving this type of question. So we know that plus into minus minus, so 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So we add 2 and minus 2. So what is the additive inverse of 2? So the additive inverse of 2 is minus 2. So I explain one shortcut how you are able to find what is the additive inverse of the number. If you want to, if the number is given as just a plus 2, and you want to what is the additive inverse of this number? So you write what is the negative of this number. So this negative of this number is equal to minus 2. So the additive inverse of plus 2 is minus 2. if you want to what is the additive inverse of minus 1 by 2, so what is the positive of this minus 1 by 2? So 1 by 2. So just the additive inverse of positive number is same additive inverse of positive number is same number of negative numbers. Means that if you want to just this is a number, negative number, and you want to know that what is the additive inverse of this number, so the positive of minus 3 number is just a plus 3. So plus 3 is the additive inverse of this number. And if you want to the what is the additive inverse of 4, so the additive inverse of 4 is minus 4. Means the sum of two number is 0, then both number are additive inverse to each other. Okay, so this is the last property. Hope that you like my video and this video is helpful for you. And if you like my video, please and if you have this video are beneficial for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So we will meet in next video some other topics. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.